you looking for some latest Indian books? I have put together a list of 5 books that you can try out that are new releases and could be a very nice addition to your yearly bookish goals. So if you think you will be interested in this, then keep watching this video. But before that, hi there, I'm Manpreet, India's leading books YouTuber who helps people discover new books and develop the habit of reading. If you're new here, just subscribe right now, follow me on my social media, and turn your notifications on by hitting that bell button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. And now, without further ado, let's discuss the books. 5 new releases that I find very interesting. Number 1 is Anxiety, Overcome It and Live Without Fear by Sonali Gupta. It is a non-fiction book on anxiety, laying out strategies and techniques for people trying to battle anxiety. I'm a person who deals with anxiety on a pretty regular basis, every Sunday, seriously, and I have been looking for books that can help me combat anxiety. So not only including this for the people who are looking for latest Indian releases, but also for my own self, because I think a book like this could be very helpful to me. So let's see how it goes. Another interesting book that has just come out is A Feast of Vultures, The Hidden Business of Democracy in India by Josie Joseph. This book is particularly a piece of investigative journalism about business rivalries and some industrial houses that practically, according to author's words, own India. It basically claims to reopen a lot of scandals and reveal some truths about business rivalries, industrial houses, and political leaders. The author has clinically examined all the stories, reports, and put them together and presented it to you with his experience of 2 decades of investigative journalism. Why I am interested in this book is because I have gone through a few investigative journalism pieces and I have found them very interesting. So I have really high hopes from this book. Another recent release on Storytel is I Came Upon a Lighthouse, a short memoir of life with Ratan Tata. As obvious from the title, it's a very short memoir, only 5-hour, 25-minute listen on Storytel. And you can really go through it in even lesser time by speeding up the narration, one of my favorite features of Storytel app, especially the custom narration speed, because you can then set the speed to exactly how it suits you. Okay, now coming back to this book has been written by Shantanu Naidu, who is an automobile engineer who developed a very special and deep bond with Ratan Tata as he developed this innovation to save the strays from being run over by speeding cars. I really thought this particular book would be enjoyed by a lot of Indian booktuber family members, and that's why I included this book. And if you're watching, Indian booktuber family members, please comment down below if you think these suggestions are in line with what you want to see on the channel. Okay, it's really important to speak up about what you want to see on this channel, so just comment now. That's your way of speaking up. Okay, another very interesting book that I have found out that is the latest Indian release is Dead Men Tell Tales, the memoir of a police surgeon. It is actually a memoir of Kerala's most famous forensic surgeon. He is also known as Sherlock Holmes of Kerala. In the book, this author and doctor has explored some of his most interesting and complicated cases. I am actually very new to forensic genre, and I went through one forensic thriller this year which actually ignited my interest for forensic books. And this is not exactly a thriller, but I do think I would really like this book. At this point, I would like to bring your attention to Storytel's listening goal feature as well. You can really set goals for 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 12 months, and really track your progress on the app itself. This really inspires you to listen to more books and develop the whole habit of daily listening, which I think is a very incredible habit to have, especially when you have so many chores to do, mundane tasks of life that you can just change a little bit into adding more value to your life, because now you're not just doing dusting, or you're not just cooking, or not just helping out in cleaning up the house, but you're also listening to a valuable piece of work. You're also gaining knowledge, so it just becomes so much better. And listening goal feature of Storytel can help you out a little bit by slightly challenging your own self into how many books you can listen to each month. Anyway, we are down to the 5th book that I found very interesting, and that is Alive, Lifestyle Changes to Age-Proof Your Body and Mind. This book has been written by a nutritional therapist and a cancer coach, and she has given this holistic plan to help you age-proof your body, to prevent diseases, and to improve the quality of your life. I personally think it's very important to consume at least one personal finance book and one book on health every single year. Books on such subjects really improve the quality of your life, and this particular one is just about 7 hours long. So, just 7 hours spent while doing something else, that can really add up a lot of value into your life and make you more healthy and make you more happy. So yes, these are the 5 latest Indian releases that I wanted to highlight in this particular video. There are a few more that I have linked down below in the description if you want to explore more latest Indian releases. Okay, so do check out the description. And also there is a very special offer by Storytel. Now, in my last video that was all about the Japanese literature, I talked about Storytel's annual subscription offer. Let's just say you just want a 90-day subscription. A 90-day subscription on Storytel is now of just rupees 401, and after that you can get access to unlimited number of books. You can listen as much as you want in just rupees 401 for 90 days. Isn't that an awesome offer? If you want to avail this offer, you can check the link below in the description. And yes, thank you so much for watching this video. This is Manpreet signing off. I'll be back with another video very soon.